Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Bitpay. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bitpay.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Bitpay website. Now from this page, tap on the login button at the top right corner to log into your existing account. Now, once you are inside the login portal, you will be able to type in your credentials. So simply type in your email address followed by your password and then click on the submit button to proceed with your login. And now as soon as you type in your correct credentials and click on the submit button, you will be logged in and taken into your dashboard for your existing account on Bitpay. And you can now start using it right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Bitpay website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.